Hi friend, in this video I guide you how to download Windows 11 ISO 24H2. Now first you can open your any favorite browser and click on search Windows 11 24H2 ISO download. Now you can see the results here and click to open a first website. You see first website microsoft.com and now click on download Windows 11 and now you see the page and cursor down your mouse and you see the download Windows 11 ISO. Now select your download Windows 11 Multi Edition. Now you see the all detail of installation. Now I click on download button. Please wait, the page is loading. Now you select your language. I select English. Click on confirm button and please wait for loading. Now click on 64-bit download. Now I click on 64-bit download and click on start download. Now you can see the Windows 11 ISO file is download started. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video.